Hi, I'm Casey with Windows 101, and today we're going to be unboxing the Blue Dragon Pro 1 and talking about everything that comes inside the box. Let's have a look. Once you have everything out of the box, you're going to have a smaller box with your small items. Then you have your cart with the pre-installed membrane, then your 20-inch housing, and your 20-inch cartridge with resin. This housing only takes one O-ring. Now let's look at what's inside the box. Now let's look at all the smaller items. You have your user manual, you have the top cap for the carts, you have your inlet hose, waste hose, you have the carbon filter housing with the carbon filter, multi-wrench for the housings, you have an inlet quick connect, an outlet quick connect, a TDS meter, and finally the RO preserve. And this is everything that's going to come with your Blue Dragon Pro 1.